Hi everyone, so I've been thinking I haven't done a savings update in a while, so we're gonna do, oh no, I hope I didn't scratch that too bad. We're gonna do a savings update. My name's Mila Rose and I like to do videos about budgeting. I like to do movie reviews that I haven't done in a while, but I did just watch the newest season of American Horror Stories. And I might want to talk about it because that was good. So I might do some new movie reviews and things like that. I do like to do videos about planning, although I never follow up with them. So, you know, I'm not that chick. I am able to very consistently, though, stick with having a budget because it really helped me to achieve a lot of the things that I have accomplished in my life, like paying my car off, buying a house, getting out of credit card debt, and then after buying a house, getting back into credit card debt, but also being able to get pretty consistent with savings. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at where our savings goals are. So savings goals don't reflect the total savings, but I will be very transparent that after buying the house, it kind of wiped out the majority of my savings. So I'm working to build that back up. But I'm taking things slow. I'm being really gentle with myself, and I hope that you do the same. I think a lot of folks can take a really harsh stance with budgeting and money, and if that works for you, because that is the style and the energy that motivates you and gets you to change your habits, to change your behaviors, to change your perceptions and thoughts about things, go for it, and I'm very happy for you. That does not work for me. It seems very aggressive and abrasive without needing to be. So I just take the stance that I take with it, and I work with what I got, and I make it work for me. And I think that that's the most important thing, is figuring out what works for you and doing that. So here we go. Let's take a look at our savings. Now, have I updated any of these lists? No, in a minute. I mean, I think the last video I did on an update was just redoing my actual goals because they were all off. They were funky. They were off. Okay, so I guess I'm on target though, because the last time I did an update was in June, and it is, well, when I'm filming this is July. When it'll be posted, it might be August. So we'll see how that ends up going. But I feel like I'm pretty on target and I'm pretty on track for this. I don't know if my new car stuff is in here. Oh, it is. Great. Okay. New car has had some nice growth. And I know most folks would be like, my last one was at 63, and it's like, oh, well, you know, my goal is $60 for 2022. That's not anything towards buying a new car, but I think it's the just making the habit, preparing, and knowing that I'm putting something towards it. And as I build towards some of my other goals and I can shift some of those funds to other things, I can start putting more towards this. So whatever I have towards this will be helpful in whatever way, shape, or form possible. So I have no idea what the money was in June. I actually probably do, just because I have it written out. But I am going to just go ahead and move forward. But I do know that we have right now, let's count up July. So it is 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Now, how is it? Oh, that was percentage. Okay. I was like, how is that? I had 63 and now I only have 50 something, but that was percentage to go. Okay, so 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 51. So now we're at 51. For July. We're going to go ahead and just leave that there, and then anything that comes from closeout, we'll just put in the next one. Total saved is 51. Percentage to goal, 51 for, oh, well, never mind. We've probably hit our goal. Well, we'll hit our goal next month, which to me is saying that I need to probably raise my goal. I think I'm only putting $5, but because I put from my closeouts I add into there, it's more than what it should be. So 51, oopsie, there we go, divided by 60. I'm at 85% to goal. So yeah, I'll probably definitely need to go ahead and update this one. I hadn't even thought about it, honestly. I don't think I even realized where that was in my goal. So now I'm like, oh, okay. So let's do a mid-year goal update. And that's going to be, let's do, you want to do 80? Should I go for 90? Let's see, I'll add 5. We'll hit it for sure next month, which is August. And then we'll have September, October, November, December. We'll have 4 months, so we'll for sure get another $20. So that puts us at 80. So let's go for 100, and let's see if we can get there. Because that would be cool. All right, moving on. That's emergency savings, security savings, house emergencies, car emergencies. That's the one we want. Because that's the one I have out. So our new goal, okay, so this was another one I had to adjust, is 240. And I don't have anything for June. We'll write it in there, but we will go ahead and put in July. So we have 20, 40, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. We have 149 at the end. We'll see if we make it to this one. But I always think it's fun when you have a goal that you're stretching towards, that you're trying to make, because it really helps to just keep you motivated. So 149, 240, we're at 62%. 62.08%. So we're more than halfway there at least. So we're making progress. Let's see, who's next? Now some of these I have to do online, so I'll be tracking. We're already at 7 minutes, and I don't really like my videos to be too much longer than 10 minutes each. So we will see if I don't split this up when I need to start doing my online ones. Let me see if there's anything else. Okay, see, those are all the online. All right, so my online ones are separate. So I will just make a separate one for those because I have envelopes for some of these, and I like to be able to kind of pull those out and see, add those up. Now this one, as you can see, I have not even done anything with this. So we're looking at emergency savings. Okay, in my envelope. My goal for total for this, which does include online, so that's interesting, is 1,120. We had 76 the last time I looked at this. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97. We're now at July, and we're now at 90. How much was it? 97, I think. 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, yes, 97. And so maybe I was just going to do this though as a envelope, because that one had put me, let's see though, if we do 76 to 1, oopsie. Yeah, okay, so let's do that. Let's keep that going. 97. So that puts us at 8.66%. So we made a little bit of progress. It would be interesting if I went ahead and tried to meet my goal of that 1120 just in my envelopes and not including. I kind of like that though. I might just stick with that, because I realize, and I don't know if this is the same for most people, but I am definitely if I this is reading like this is for online, because I'm looking at the fact that it's got just those like change in there, and this one has change too. Done car already. Online house. online emergencies. And then, yeah, because these are reading like they're not my envelopes. What time is it? It's exactly 10. It's been 10 minutes that I've done this video. Because those would technically be, I believe, my last ones that I have. Alright, so let me go and look those up. And put what they're at now. I'm still on target for those, or I still have it, those are updated. I guess I'm still just trying to figure out, like, do I actually want to have, do I want to have separate goals for my envelopes, just add my envelopes into the savings of the year? As I was saying before I got distracted looking at these, is that I do feel like it's way easier for me to just spend money when it's in the account versus when I have it separate. So I try to keep it in cash in order to not spend so readily. But I guess I'm still getting used to pulling the cash out, not moving money around here, not moving money around there, because that's really easy for me too, because I'm trying to do stuff around the house. I'm trying to keep things together around the house. So it's just trying to just keep everything together, I suppose. I don't know if that's an issue that any of you all experience. All right, let's see where we were. Okay, so our last June, we got that 76 cents. Also, these high yield savings accounts have been nice. They've had some increases in their, oh, we haven't even gotten our payment for July yet. Okay, well, what we've gotten so far has been plus, see, it went from $1, it went from 0.76 to, we actually got $1.04 in interest. So that's pretty substantial when you're looking at interest on an account like this. So our starting was 1,000, so we're really subtracting, we're just taking everything over 1,000, and that's gonna be, oh, now I'm looking at this and I'm like, that doesn't seem right. 409, yes. Looks like I didn't get a transfer in, that's interesting, in June, like it was supposed to. All right, well, I will go look into that. Oh, I'm so glad, because I'm like, wait a minute, no, I should have got a transfer in June. Let me go see if the other one did the same thing. Let's go see. Yeah, I had the same thing happen in my other account. All right, so I'm glad I went and looked at this, because I actually need to go and I need to update these and figure out what's going on and figure out why they don't have the money they should have gotten. But I did get 0.6 cents for this one, and I'll add that up. So yeah, we're making some progress towards our goals. I would really rather go and make sure that the money is where it needs to be. But once I do that, I'll come back and I'll give some more updates in the next 2 months. And I will actually be making my next video filling in, coloring in, because I do have that ready to go. I think it's here. Yeah, I do have my savings tracker all updated and ready to get filled in. So I'll make my next video doing that. All right, so I hope you're making great progress towards your savings goals. I hope you're having a wonderful summer, and I will see you all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
You